Ogbenye nwere ọnụ okwu maka na o nwere ego. Ogbenye nwere ọnụ okwu maka na o nwere ego. Abịa na nke dị nwere ego. Okwu ọbụla ga-abụ eziokwu chekwa. Abịa na nke dị nwere ego. Okwu ọbụla ga-abụ eziokwu. Nathaniel.
Hey, come and stop that idiot. Stand up. Hey, come, get up. Get up. Come on, throw that rubbish there. Imagine. Swan.
Sir?
Oh my God, me, eh? Sir, you are stupid. Say, Swan, sir.
Swan, sir.
Swan, sir.
Very good. Now, chest out. Oh my. Chest out.
We be soldier.
Good. Nose in. Nose in. Very good. Now, poke your head out. Very good. Chuan. Now, why are you people not at your duty posts?
Duty post?
Oh my God. I say, why have you absconded your duty posts?
This intimidation. Are we army? Are we police? Well, we are not on duty. We are not military.
Why did you leave that duty post? Huh?
I'm going to think of if duty post, what you mean by duty post is that carpentry workshop. I have told you, I will not be a carpenter. If not that this, because of the problem in Jos, we have to run here. People have been talking to me like this. In Jos, I was aiming high.
Forget about Jos. Forget Jos and its topography. We are talking about reality in realism. You understand me? There's an essence in education. We call it parlez-vous in educational injunctions. You understand me? If you want to be a robber, go to school, become a better robber. If you want to be a carpenter, go to school and become a better carpenter. In fact, you are all moving and mobile illiterate buffoons.
I'm not an illiterate. Papa, you're intimidating us with this your army officer thing. I'm not an illiterate.
You're not an illiterate?
Yeah, I am not. But in this, why did you even train me in a good school if you wanted to cause me to do illiteracy? By the time now, I would have been a PhD holder.
P what?
HD.
Let me answer your question from a true pronged attack. Number one, if you know that you are not an illiterate buffoon, show me your curricular vitae. And you, your friend too, come on. Do you have any resume?
Azo.
You see?
Yes.
Apart from that, my dear.
I have.
You shut up. Okay. What is lugubrious intensity? I personally sent you to school, but you refused. You decided to go after girls in skirt. Guess who have not had the opportunity of savoring the quintessential essence of cohabitation? And that resulted in the birth of that son of yours, whom I personally also took abroad to go and study the art of medicine, orthodox, not unorthodox.
Is that not manna from my waist? Is that not manna from my waist? Would you have been a grandfather if I hadn't done that? Grandfather to a doctor.
Hey.
Come on, he's talking to us.
Talking to who? Is he my father?
Shut up there! Okay, no wonder. Birds of the same plumage congregate, but they lose firm agreement under the base, crossing the Rubicon.
He's talking about your...
Talking about
your stomach.
Yes, of course. No, it's right. This is what they call stomatic rotunda. Now, look. I know something is wrong. A child who is longing for what they call cohabitation refuses to dance to the very good rhythm of what they call sanctity of matrimony. You need a wife.
So you need a wife?
You idiot, you. This one, he needs wives. You need a wife, yes.
For what?
My friend? I'm going to take you down memory lane. I take you to a lady who has transcended, transmuted, who has betrothed the whole essence of what they call feminine excellence. And she goes by that very sweet, poetic line which we call Quincy.
You say I'm an illiterate, and you are going to marry a wife with all those qualifications. I can agree. Once you're going to do the spending, do the arrangement, marry a wife for me, fine. But it has to be somebody of my level. Not all this your Quincy.
No troubles. I'll do that. Meanwhile, hey boys, with all bronze and no brains, go back to the shop. And if I get there, I don't find you in that shop, I will descend on you with what they call Succinct exactitude.
You are intimidating us with this, your army officer.
See,
how can you be intimidating your son like this?
See, if your father is talking to me, you know that I'm not a little boy.
He's a major. He's a major.
He's a major. Does
So fun.
they do they add gas for this thing now?
Add gas for it.
The thing won't bring tears for my eyes.
Not before the bottle where the gas then, now your belly, the gas there.
What do you mean? My belly they release gas?
Now they transfer gas go your eye. They come out things in a bottle. Who you want to deceive?
Not true. You mean say this girl not find the way Major describe him? When you tell me say when I won't go see the girl, I think say once you come back you tell me say if you see the beautiful girl where Major give you. And
that thing like where they talk about blasphemy, fine, beauty, where they take qualify that thing. I say you take the other side of the street of beautiful. I say see this person. Major insult to me. When you see this girl, if you come up for early in the morning, see this thing, conversion will come.
Chai, scale, I understand what you mean.
You know me, you know the kind of people where I do this. People will get better meat for money. I Major just why insult me. I'm doing it.
Not true. You get one woman where I know for neighboring village. Chai. In fact, why I can't forget this thing? I can't forget this thing. If you see this woman, you will like her.
Woman.
Not be saying
now woman go fight for me.
Not be saying a woman like that. You know all those kind of girls where they nearly cross girl, but they never really enter a woman like that. Just be that middle line.
Who girl?
Yeah, that name good. Who girl? Now those kind of person.
I don't trust. You don't begin to put.
I know what you like now. If you see this full to the brim, if you see him,
how you go begin recommend who girl for me? Where don't come and you tell me now say you don't dey cross.
Not be saying a woman like that. You know that.
Even who girl?
Remove the who. Now girl. Now the way she fat, now make her the resemble woman again. If you look at all the
all this is where
materials with the
all this is where they put say you don't dey cross. I want to say first. Mo go say now.
The day we have get chance, we'll go. I'll take you go.
No be the day we go get chance. No be drink where we dey drink. By the time we finish this, I fit keep this one. Mo go say.
You dey in a hurry?
Marriage no be something we dey do one day. Make we take today go do sightseeing. Marriage get stages. First of all, you go see site. You know all these people who want chop our government money, they go call a feasibility study. Make we go. If I say first, then you go come back. Second one na to approach. Third one na to negotiate. And all this things will take 1 week. So no talk say the day too late.
Professor of marriage. So you know all the rules like this. 9, you don't nearly 80, you never marry.
God's time is the best. You know they hear him.
So now God's time keep you like this. For your age, no wife.
Oh, I forgot for God front. You go wait when God sanction and say, now you go marry,
Well,
I feel married that time, I no go born.
I not get chance. When I get chance, you go.
Make up. Now me wait till hit now. Now they pressure me, make I go marry. I beg. I take God beg you. Make I go begin.
So I beg did this your mouth since. I beg this since now you know feel.
You be my friend to tell you I beg no be to waste time. Okay,
Who does that not No, no need that, no need that. No need that.
Make her enter my trap.
You know the way he call the thing talk like say now force.
Hey, come here. Come here. Where do you think you are coming from? And where do you think you are going?
I'm going to my room. I'm coming from the shop.
Your room? Oh my God. Remove that cap, my friend, I'm talking to you. Good. I sent someone to look for you in the shop. And they said that you left there long ago with autocratic recklessness.
Papa, you're intimidating me too much with this your son. I'm your son. You're harassing me. Why don't you allow me to grow on my own?
Come on, shut up there. Shut up, my friend. Why are you threatening the credibility and at the same time the sagacity of the whole ensemble?
Papa, don't use this thing on me. I'm no longer a kid.
Good. That's why I say you should grow up, my boy. Grow up. Good. Now, have you considered what we discussed yesterday?
Oh yes, I've considered it and I've accepted.
So let's call on Quincy immediately and then commence preparations, my boy.
Quickly.
Say.
Papa, I have not discussed or agreed with you on anything about Quincy. Rather than marry that girl, I will go to Evil Forest and lie there the rest of my life. I found a girl I want to marry from a neighboring village. A girl of my own choice.
My friend, listen. Put on your thinking cap, my dear. Reason with me. Marriage is not something you just jump into and jump out. Eh? It's not a child's play, my dear. I want you to do this with horrendous prevarication. Now, go inside.
Yes, sir. Only Jerusalem woman around. That the Mesopotamian.
NKE.
The only Jerusalem woman who is about to go to Jericho.
Shalom, shalom. Regular customer. When NKEM came.
Madam JP, you know what? You no longer see the village. I want to see if I can connect you to one big hotel in Abuja so you can go and cook. This one is wonderful.
I'm not the one that prepared this one. Ha. This one was prepared by my daughter, Jenny.
Your daughter?
Oh, if I prepare by myself, you know what it is.
Ewo, this says that young girls don't like to even cook food.
Ah, my own has to learn how to cook. In fact, she cooks well.
JP, your daughter is married.
Huh?
I am going to make sure that my son, the only doctor in this community, marries your daughter.
Hey!
Uncle Kaibus!
I can't believe it. Okay, you mean I am going to be the mother-in-law of the one and only American daughter in the whole of Atani community?
Not going to.
Hey!
The in-law. By me. In fact, where is my Jenny?
She went for extramural studies. You know she's preparing for her JAMB and WAEC.
You see how God helps me, brain and beauty. Dr. Anugo, my son is married.
I can't believe it.
What are you saying?
Very soon, I will become the mother-in-law to the one and only American doctor in the whole of Atani community. In-law to AKA.
Mama. Papa. Come here. Bring seat there.
This young man has come with his people to ask for your hand in marriage. They brought all these things. Do we take this drink?
Yes, Papa.
She has accepted, yeah.
But Papa only on one condition.
Come.
You know, since I finished learning how to sew, I have not been sewing.
Okay.
So I want him to buy me a sewing machine and open a shop for me.
No.
Papa, I don't want anything that will look like disgrace. Or as a matter of fact, bring it. Aka is my friend. I literally brought him here to this family to marry Boma. How can Boma be placing conditions on... that's not the kind
Nico.
of... No, Aka...
No, Nico, it's okay. She wants a sewing machine.
Yes.
And a shade where she can open. I will provide those.
You will buy them? Who am I? Who am I? If you say so, it is done then.
I'm marrying him, Papa.
You can go ahead and
drink.
Aka, are you going out?
Yes, I have an unfinished business with Nicholas. And you agreed to meet today. Any problem?
No problem. Come
That's
back
my
on
card.
time or...
I will. That's my card.
Major.
Shut up, come here. I stand on Major's left. No fear, on my left.
Major, I hope there's no problem.
Shut up! You say Major, sir.
Major, sir.
Good.
I hope there's no problem.
Shut up. I've warned you before about this. I don't know, sugary, peppery, salty type of cooking. Do you want to damage my orutulagos kunukulus?
I don't understand.
You don't understand? Simply means that my digestive system.
No, sir.
Hi! I'll put it to you now. If I put it into you, that succinctly, it has gone into very embarrassing mode of eccentricity. You understand? Oh. Hey, come on, hey, I'm not a small boy. You want to deceive me with your crocodile chest? Look at with your desert encroachment on your chest. Remove your hand there. I've seen even a lot of vegetation. What do you mean by that? Come on now, get out.
Papa, I still don't agree with you. Have you out? Forget that.
The what? Hello?
Good afternoon.
Oh, my beautiful place. Sit down. Yes. How are you, my dear?
I'm fine, sir. You?
Fine, my dear.
Aka, how are you?
Good afternoon, welcome.
Don't cut her. This is she's greeting you. I say.
But haven't I replied? Oh, welcome, and welcome.
Is that how you respond to greeting?
Don't worry, my dear.
I gave it to you 4 times.
Okay, it's okay.
Is it not enough?
It's okay. My dear, don't mind him. He's on edge today. So he decided to come and greet us, eh? Welcome, my dear.
Thank you, sir. Well, Aka, I've come to tell you that I love you so much and I missed you so much.
Wonderful. That's good, my dear.
So, I brought you some stuffs.
Oh.
From where?
Abroad. Which abroad? You went abroad since you came here the other day.
It's by air, my dear. 6 hours you are there.
All these are for you, Aka.
Wonderful. This cannot be for him.
Oh,
anyway.
No, I know you like that.
Yes.
So, Aka, enjoy life to the fullest.
Okay. Thank you. These are for the people who are rheumatic.
What do you mean?
Those who have rheumatism. I'm not in the hospital yet.
Sick of what?
Your own rheumatism is chronic and it's hereditary. Nothing can stop your own rheumatism. Not even 1 packet of cornflake. I mean 1 carton.
Jesus.
The one and only Major General in the entire Atani community.
Oh, you come for.
Major General, sir.
Gidigba. JP.
The one and only Major General.
Hey!
That won the external and internal aggression.
Hey! Unbelievable.
My one and only American in-law.
Hey! JP! Justice of the Peace.
Hey!
The only Israeli woman in Africa south of the Sahara. MON, member of the Order of the Niger.
Hey, you know.
MFR, member of the Federal Republic. Hey! Wait. Bombs! Bombs! You see, if I call an elephant, you be... All right, baby elephant! Come on, bring a chef, JP. So, my dear, you are welcome. Je t'aime, oui. Est-ce que tu m'aimes? Ah, je m'appelle. Aya Kalavoa. Aya.
Major.
Huh?
I brought hot pepper soup for you. I went to a neighboring town, Akros. I saw this fresh meat. I couldn't resist it. I bought it. And here, I prepared hot pepper soup for you.
Ha! You see, this is what I call coincidental coincidence. You know? Do you know that I was telling this maroon to prepare me pepper soup, and then you came with this? Oh my! Okay, I shall be well with you.
Our people say that when a bush rat gets quite old, it falls back to sucking the breast of its younger ones.
That's a fact. That's a fact, my dear.
Hey, this food.
Hey!
And here.
Shit, Jesus.
I brought you special nkwoku from Ijo.
Ijo?
Yes. As my only American in-law, I have to take good care of you.
You know something, eh? If you call them Ijo, they get annoyed. Say Izon.
Izon?
Izon. Izon.
I thought we call them Ijo.
No, that's anglicized. My dear, God bless you. In fact, I'm a bush rider. I've gone very old already.
How does it taste?
You see, you are keeping at us.
Maybe elephant. I hope the taste is. Jenny, hey!
Good.
Will you shut up?
Good evening, man.
What are you doing with this good-for-nothing man? What are you doing with him? Is this the lesson you said you are going to? This one that wants to reap where he did not sow.
Mama, it's John, my English teacher.
Oh, shut up! Jenny, I can see you want to kill my American dream. I will not allow it. Me, Madam JP, I will not allow it. As for you, come. I hope he has not gone to your paradise.
Hi, Mama, no.
Thank God. Now listen to me, you useless village champion that calls yourself a teacher. See, I don't want to see you anywhere near my daughter again. If I ever see you near my daughter, I am going to cut off that flesh, that useless flesh that is dangling between your two legs, that is giving you a bad impression about you, who you are. Leave my daughter alone. I'm looking at what size. Look at her. Can't you see she's not your size? I'm walking at 12. Leave my daughter alone. She's going to marry an American doctor. Now leave.
Sorry.
Go before I begin to hit you now. I used to look at me. Otto Chiebu. Before you take this America away from me, Una, come on. Una! Move! Move! Why are you squeezing your face? Listen to me. This is the time for you to learn how to swagger your ginger. Or you ginger your swagger. See, we are on the American entourage. There's nothing you can do about it.
Mama, I've told you that I don't like this thing you're doing. No? I don't like this thing you're telling me.
Oh, will you shut up? Who is talking about what you like and what you don't like? America, here I come.
I've said my own.
Why you do? I can see you are ready to share this your precious cake to all these village champions. But you are the daughter of Madam JP now. And of course, you know I can't allow you to do that. It is time for you to learn how to swagger your ginger. Or you ginger your swagger. Where are you going? Come on, learn how to swagger. Swagger. Hey, nothing to you. Don't be smarting. Only those who know how to swagger ginger.
Papa, don't like what you do. Don't look at it, Major. See, I'm already married woman, which is even too much luggage for me.
It's okay.
And you want to bring another?
My dear, variety is the spice of life.
It's not true, but did you marry 2 wives? No. In your own case.
I know that you are married to a woman. Yes, doesn't matter. You could even take 30 or 40, but I'm not going to force you on anyone. You see, what I'm saying is that there are strategic reasons for getting hooked to a strategic person. You see that girl? Quincy, hey, my God. Look at the beauty behind her name.
Beauty.
Beautiful girl.
Her slimness.
Oh, yes.
Papa, stop. If you're playing joke with me, stop it.
Listen, my dear.
How can somebody see that girl and tell me say she's beautiful?
When I met her at the airport, Jesus, all eyes turned. Because of the majesty behind her slimness.
You met her at the airport?
Yes.
All eyes turned.
Yes.
Is this a psychiatric airport?
You are stupid.
Yes, that's why I'm becoming wise.
All right. At the international airport. Listen, that girl has something. Apart from the beauty in her slimness, that girl is a senior citizen, mind you. She was born in America. She's a citizen. Not external citizen, but internalized citizen. She's going to turn her life around.
She doesn't have a life in her.
All right, okay. You are becoming too tough for my liking. Let us put it this way. Plan B. Let her come. Give her some peace. Let her stay with you for about 3 days. If you're not satisfied, put her away.
You said it to yourself.
I mean,
if she comes, after 3 days, if I don't like, she go.
3 or 4 days.
You said this with your own mouth.
I am telling you, 3 or 4 days.
You will soon say 4 or 5.
No, 3 or 4.
You know, I didn't know that you know how to cook.
Very well now.
I'm afraid. I'm trying to do, but we are bad in other areas. Your food.
Your food is ready.
How many? Is it? Can't you say I'm already eating? Your food is ready. Eat this one.
Aka, you must eat this food, though. You must eat this food.
Alana, are you mad? Do I have 2 mouths?
Don't mind her, eat. Continue eating, please.
Let me eat finish one first. Ozukwa.
Aka, you must eat this food, though. You must eat it, though.
Mubani,
you this thing.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome, man.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome,
oh, thank you, ma.
Okay.
Thank you.
My brother's wife is here. Now that my brother's wife is here, can you just tell us why you're here?
When a man is of age and ripe for anything in life, he does it. Yes. A blind man can only be told when soup contains no oil. He definitely knows if it lacks salt. Mazoka, Madam JP, my son John and myself have come to seek the hand of your daughter in marriage.
You're welcome.
Thank you,
You're
sir.
welcome, my dear.
Thank you.
Madam JP, did you hear what he just said?
Of course I'm not deaf. Young man,
Ma.
what do you do for a living?
Oh, I'm a teacher by profession, ma.
Wait a minute. Are you not John? Or
Yes,
whatever?
Yes, I am.
My daughter's English teacher.
Teacher.
Ah. The one that has been teaching my daughter adjectival and adverbial love. Now you have come to seek her hand in marriage. Both of you, leave my house now.
Huh?
I said leave my house. Do I have water in my mouth?
No, Papa, wait.
Madam JP, what did you get this? It's not.
Are you still standing there?
Okay,
Leave my house! Leave my house! Fools! Opportunists!
Madam JP, what did you get this?
Eh? What does it look like I'm doing? Eh?
What is the matter?
Wait, please. I don't have your time now. It's not because you're my husband's brother. Come and take your... No, take! And don't come back. If you want to go, you can go with them. I would have pushed you out to close this door. It's because you're my husband's brother. Are you leaving or are you staying? Are you still crying? Eh? Don't tell me you're still crying because of that. That good for nothing boy that wants to reap where he did not sow. Village champion. That village champion that calls himself a teacher. Look at him. He calls himself a teacher. I am sure he does not have any certificate. Let him not go to the town, no. He can only be a teacher here in the village. If he goes to the town, they'll jail him. Stop crying now. Now wipe your tears. I don't want you to cry again. That boy simply wants to destroy you and our future.
Mama, is that why you have to embarrass them in that manner, eh? You really hurt me, oh. Obviously, you don't even care about how I feel.
Oh, will you shut up? I am your mother, and I know what is best for you. Oh? Stop crying. Wipe your tears. Eh? Forget about that good-for-nothing boy that calls himself John or John the Baptist, whatever. Eh? He is an apology of a man. See, already there's an American doctor waiting to marry you. I have told you to begin to learn how to swagger your ginger. Or you ginger your swagger. See, wipe your tears. Come on, Licham. Oh, you didn't. Come on. What do you want to eat? You want to eat rice? I know your favorite now. Chicken, spaghetti, everything. Come on.
Mama, I'm not hungry. Leave me alone.
How can you say you're not hungry? You have not eaten since not. Come on, come now. Come and wipe your tears, eh? It's okay. Come. Let me go. Come here, Hajegi something. Come on, Lichamo. Come on, Lichamo. Hajegi give us spaghetti.
When I tell you that there is nobody in this world that will be a rich man. You think they said that you're a wealthy man, it's a nickname? There must be a source of that wealth that is coming. Do you think people just get rich like that?
Have you noticed that I am not answering you?
Why?
No. Have you noticed that I'm not replying you?
Why are you not answering? Why are you not replying?
Instead of you to take Major's advice, be serious with this your carpentry work. Before you know it, you make money. You are here talking what I don't know. Your problem is that you are lazy. That's your problem.
Don't insult me, Nico. In Jos, I was already making it in Jos. In fact, I was aiming so high. I was almost becoming a politician in Jos. I come back here, somebody will just construct a carpenter's workshop. I said I should come and become a carpenter. When I have passed that level.
So, even if you were going to become president in Jos, now that you are back to your village, you won't do anything.
I can't go.
See, my uncle in Umueze is a carpenter. You need to see that man. He's in money, rich.
I cannot go below my aim in Jos. My aim in Jos was high. I can't come here and then begin to become a carpenter. What do you mean by carpenter?
Wait. Have you forgotten that the person you are talking to is Nicholas? That Jos you are talking about, we were there together.
Even if now.
How can you be telling me you were aiming high in Jos, you were becoming a politician?
We're not aiming in any way. Aiming high. Whatever we are doing.
See, anytime you want to talk about Jos, and I am there, don't lie.
I know.
Or do you want me to tell the villagers what you were doing in Jos?
If you tell people now, it's the two of us.
So anytime we are together, you maintain. Every time, Jos. Become. What were you becoming in Jos?
What I'm trying to tell you, even if we are not high in Jos, let us aim high in village. We don't go to begin to tell villagers that what we do in Jos, because most of them don't know what we do.
And then when you are talking to me, maintain.
It is for you to know that we have to aim high. It's not because you do not know. We know ourselves.
You are lucky to have a father who is even planning for you, helping you to set up things. This carpentry thing, if you take it serious, I'll be supporting you, helping you to carry wood, I help you to hold this thing, you nail it. Before you know it, two of us will make money and we'll go very rich.
Why are you supporting? You are giving me advice. Look at you. King Solomon, you're giving me advice now. As if you're not, you even have prodigal tendencies more than myself.
I don't have anybody to help me now. At least you have a father. My own, where is my father?
Are you not supposed to be a father? Your father delivered you for you to help. You are supposed to have another son.
So, now me by myself?
You have to born another person.
Not the person who born you to help you?
You have to make a family. Don't advise me, Nico. I'm even better than you because I have a son who is a potential doctor in America.
Let us plan with what we have. Let us plan with what is on ground.
What is on ground?
How can we be planning with your son? Now we don't even know if immigration will allow you to come back.
Is my son not on ground? Are you saying my son is he dead?
Okay, supposing he doesn't come back. Okay, let's say he comes back without money.
are suspecting you.
Suspecting me?
A doctor in America comes back without money.
Email, they deceive you. Email, I they deceive you.
Listen to what I'm saying. There are other some good jobs that you can be doing. Do you know who can take over this community? You don't know?
Oh.
We can become the community leaders.
Community leaders? But we are not old now. How would they believe us?
It's not about old. See, those people who are even taking up community leadership are educated people. Now most of them are in the cities, entering politics and doing this. We can take their position. Imagine if we collect some boys now, all these big cars that they drive past our road, we say we are doing carnival. 1 week we just come, gather these boys.
They'll believe us.
Tell them, yes! We tell them we are using it to construct road.
We just
everybody that is driving past, we bring toll gate.
Change our dressing. Strong our face.
Tell them that good reason that we are building road.
Stop there! Ah, do you know us?
I said, who is here?
Illegal structures everywhere.
Without
obtaining
hey, who is here?
the right permission. Yes, stop there. What are you doing here?
Come, who is in charge? Who is in charge here?
I'm waiting.
Who is in charge? You know
return this quick. Return this wheelbarrow here.
You know this in charge.
Who gave you permission? Return it.
What's the problem?
We want to know not about the problem. Are you police?
Who is the owner of this house?
What is the problem? I'm the owner of the house.
Very good.
So you went and started construction without obeying all the rules, paying all the things you're supposed to pay?
Normal fees.
Yes, all the fees.
As far as I'm concerned, I've paid everything that is due for this particular house.
To who? No. To who?
Have you paid to the youth? We are the leaders of the youth of this community.
Yes.
We have the youth levy. Everybody knows it everywhere. Before you put one block here, you're supposed to come and settle the youth.
Were you not supposed to come to our office as the youth community association and pay the normal levy before you start constructing? You just came here, built whatever you like.
I don't understand what you guys are.
We understand.
We are the youths of this community. Leaders of the no, don't get it from here.
Let me feel it.
He has not talked now. Allow him to talk first.
Excuse me, how can these two old men like you become the youth leader of this particular company?
Is he by age? No. Oh, you would have preferred your father to be the leader.
If we live here, by the time we come back with the youths, we may not even come back.
This house
the
is
youth
former
will come
house.
and break this house down.
What
Go and ask. They have done it to several places.
For these guys, let me write it.
Don't write it.
Let me write it.
Hold on.
Let me write it.
Hold on. How much is the money?
The money is just 100,000.
100 what?
Excuse me. You said 100 how much?
100,000. Let's leave that. Let him pay just the normal fee.
For what? What of the fine for building on illegal land and not coming to our office?
That's another one.
You guys are sick.
No, it's alright. Just pay the.
You guys are sick.
You should pay 100.
100,000 just for me to build a house.
Let's go and call this.
We'll show you sickness now.
This thing will be on the floor.
Leave it.
You see the thing now. This cassava farmland, or this other one. In fact, you can uproot the cassava and take it. Then this side, after this block, down there, you see that banana tree? That is the demarcation. Then you go this way. So that,
No. That's okay. Let's not go beyond that palm tree.
Okay.
No, it's okay because yes, you might not be able to pay for everything.
No, but we have to give him enough land now.
Because of his t-shirt, are you sure he can pay?
No. What are you saying? So you have seen the whole thing.
It's okay.
Any problem?
I think I'm okay.
Okay. Beautiful.
So let's go.
For the
money.
Okay.
Payment.
Thank you. This land No, come. No. I don't mean that the Igwe is pursuing us right away. But you see, Azeka and Ochendo went and reported us to the Igwe that we are selling we have sold their land and we have eaten the money. Now, Igwe is mustering people to pursue us. You see it?
What kind of village is this? Oh, God. What kind of jealousy is this? What kind of enemies of progress are we dealing with in this village? So just this little business, that the very lucrative business that God has blessed us with now, they are beginning to witch us.
What are you talking? You are still crying over split milk. I'm telling you, let us find solution to this whole thing now. You're still crying, the people are envious. What are we going to do now? Because the Igwe is on us.
And this business is
I've gotten it. I've gotten it. Yeah. Let us lay everything on the table for Major. Let Major carry our burden for us. Let him handle it. You know he's very influential.
We should go and tell Major.
Of course now. Who else?
Are you well?
What do you mean by my will? He's the only person that can carry it.
No. Are you out of your senses?
What kind of question is that?
Don't you know who Major is? So we should go and meet Major and tell him, sir, we are sorry, we stole this land, we stole this man's land, we stole that.
No, you're getting it wrong. We are going to tell Major that these people are accusing us falsely. Are you? Did anybody see you with money?
No, no.
We tell Major that these people just want to accuse us unnecessarily. We can even give him one good reason why these people are pursuing us.
In fact, you know he's a freedom fighter.
Yeah. Once Major can go
this
to
is the best Major. You have for every of sin you have committed against me, I have forgiven you everything.
Come and give me a drink.
Oh my God.
Give me a drink. This is very shameful. Very, very shameful. Our people say that the sore on the forehead of a lady does not allow her to be proud of herself. There is also the saying that the shame on the eyebrow is much more heavier than a basket of yam. Whatever that is about to cause an embarrassment is supposed to be stopped immediately. Mazi, Azaka, and Uchendo, repeat what you told me before.
Your Highness, 2 days ago I went to my land, the one that is near Ngele Stream. I met this man clearing my land. When I confronted him, he told me that he bought it from 2 persons he called Peter and Paul. His description fitted Aka and Nicholas. And when he saw them, he confirmed it. Like I told you, the man I met told me he bought my piece of land from Peter and Paul. And later I confirmed that the same Peter and Paul are no other persons than Aka and Nicholas. Look at them.
Young man, did you hear them?
Yeah, I did.
Aka and Nicholas, what do you have to say?
Oh boy.
Aka, do you have anything to add?
He doesn't have anything to add. He has nothing more to add. We are just being decent. How can we sit in court with these lesser mortals and then they start talking gibberish? How could one in elemental sense accuse this young man, especially this man, who is the father of the only medical doctor in our community? Look at you. The only American trained doctor. And you're here looking like maroons. I mean, if it were when I was in the army, hey, yeah. Oh my God.
It's okay.
If these men are sure of their claims, then let them produce evidence of punches.
Major, we are very sorry for everything. You don't have to get annoyed to that extent. I have not really accepted what they said. Well, Azazaka and Ochendo, you will go tell the people to produce their evidence of purchase. And when they bring that, you now come back to this palace, then you can look into it.
Igwe, it's okay. No, I don't know what blessing. May you live forever. Chai!
Mama, I'm going home. Come on, please. Let's go. I'm going to buy what you're asking for.
Oh, okay. But come on, go. Come. What's up? You know you are about to become the #1 woman in this community. The first lady. I don't want you from now onwards to be walking like all those village women again. Your step has to change. That is all the things I've been teaching you about. Swaggering your ginger or changing your swagger.
Mama.
Okay, let me show you.
Baby, ginger your swagger, oh. Ginger your swagger.
As you are doing it, you are going to swagger your ginger or ginger your swagger like this.
Mama the mama!
The only JB in this community.
Original.
Okay, let me watch you do it. Huh? Should I do it? Let me see. Let me watch you do it. Swag. Don't be stiff. Remember to keep swaggering your ginger and ginger your swagger. Okay. Come on, go. Swagger your ginger your swagger. Swagger your ginger your swagger. Swagger your ginger. Oh, that's wonderful.
Did I walk well?
Very, very well. Practice makes perfect. Just start, that's the important thing. As you are doing it, remember to swagger your ginger your swagger. Okay. You understand? Come on, you can go now. Yes. Practice it, oh.
Okay, now.
Swagger your ginger your swagger. Swagger your ginger. Nothing do you. I'm on the job. Hey.
Yes, the country is doomed without unity. That is Oprah's statement. Journalistic jargon, you know. They want to sell high sounding terminologies, jaw-breaking words, just to sell. I see. Well,
D major.
So you don't have the elemental respect for your seniors?
No, D major. See, I didn't notice that you were sitting here. You know, I was just going straight. I didn't look left.
So I've become an unknown infinitesimal.
Hi.
Jesus is Lord. Now, I wanted to place you on a pedestal where you could. But before that, let me ask you, why were you prancing about with such debilitating misnomer? No.
Sir?
Oh my God. I thought I was talking to a human being. My friend, I wanted to place you on a pedestal where you start to realize, jointly or severally, the differences between classical pieces and pieces of classics. Okay, to cut the long story short, whom are you looking for?
D major, I have not committed any offense this afternoon.
Whom are you looking for?
I just want to see Aka.
That is it. Why not make a small statement? You are speaking of those things. Go in this inside, there's nothing around there. As usual.
Oh, wow. To be person now, no better on paper to write the exam, you don't see your friend again. Now what? What is Aka? Aka? Why did you chew your mouth? For sleep?
Was I? No, I was talking to some expatriates, some executives that came to for construction in Nigeria.
Inside dream? High fever?
No, it's not fever.
You know what they call high fever?
No, it's not fever. It's not just a simple.
Expatriates that you did not talk to for real life, now you go to discuss with for dream.
I can't lose both ways now. If I cannot talk to them in real life now, let me at least have the opportunity of talking to them in my dreams.
Please, leave that on a more serious note. See, any moment from now, I won't be coming to visit you again. No. On a more serious note.
What did I do, Corey?
If you know the kind of exam that I write every day just to see you.
Where?
Major. There is no kind of grammar that is grammar in this world that he don't use to qualify me just because I said I want to come and see you.
When I was telling you that, okay, you who is coming from outside, check the way he harasses me, who is inside, and what I see. That's why I normally I just say, let me just relax my bone before I know if I wake up, he will start again.
But was he in their interrogation department in the army?
Don't you know these people who went to the army? They tell a lot of lies. Even if they're education, they will come, they will tell you they're in the war front all through their life. You know, they can speak. This is the kind of English he speaks. He can jumble the English, bring the one to Machiavelli's dictionary, put it in learners.
Oxford. Some of those English feel not correct.
Do you think they're correct before?
If you hear the way some of them sound, that thing cannot be English. Maybe it's because of that injection that they used to give them. You know, that thing has a way of turning somebody's head.
That's what is wrong with my food. thinks he's fit, but he's sick.
We have to be very careful with him.
What do you think I was telling you? Don't challenge him, leave him to talk.
Anyway, the reason I came to see you, I am very dry. Honestly. As you see. What is good about it?
Do you want to be wet?
Oh, be serious. Now that's not what I mean. I am cashless, nothing. Not even a dime. I beg. Is there no way?
Going is better. I'm going.
Hey!
See it?
If you see all the people that used to greet me with respect, when they see me now, Nico. Nico. No respect, nothing.
They don't greet you at all.
Hi!
They throw away their faces when I pass.
The worst thing that can happen to any man is to be rich, then after some time you are no longer rich. Chai!
Nothing is the worst sickness you can ever think of.
Oh, God.
Well, to think about this thing, you know why this, I don't know whether the Zuma has gone out of this community.
No stranger will do this kind of thing. See, they don't even people are not. They want to begin live there without even consulting.
Let's make sure there is no indigenous. Hey, who is there?
Who there here?
Who's there? Why? Look at. Why are these people constructing? Go, who is there?
Hey, stop there. Who are you and what you want?
We are just.
Now we be the people where they help people cut grass.
Yes.
We wonder whether we won't cut all this grass where they here.
Which grass? We are grass cutters.
No be now where they cut grass. Now we. Now where they collect levy for this town. We be local government.
Is it Levi?
Levy.
Levy.
We be local government. No. We be now they collect levy for this town. They collect money for this town. You see all those money? We now bring them today.
Dad! So forget this man.
See this old man, you know if catch them. There's Zuma. They fuck up. Tomorrow go say you be guy man. I no fuck up. Those men see this. There's a no fit catch them. Tomorrow go say na guy man you be. Then you talk again.
Yes, I'm fine.
Go yo.
Ami. See, which kind of bad luck with this? No fall. They say this one now, fam. No fall. I just say they don't send them go city or make them go begin with thief for them.
That one with the strong face. Yeah. The other one.
That Zuma.
Zuma.
Now be Zuma now.
That guy was thief. That guy was holding something, no?
You don't say that shooter now. They can't hire him to go to native. Native that person. I go down save us.
That's the way if he be gone.
Now go. No be fit be a Siam. Now go. Now wait.
Huh? See those guys, they must be smoking something. Who? If you see their face, it's not ordinary. They must be smoking something.
They smell. Come make we come out here before they hear us.
Now go save one.
You're welcome.
Thank you, madam.
You say you want to marry my daughter?
Yes, madam.
And you say you are a trader in Onitsha. I see. Remind me that's your name again.
My name is Michael.
Michael, yes. That's true. You're welcome.
Yes, madam.
Michael.
Madam.
Do you know Tel Aviv?
Tel Aviv? No, madam.
What about Gaza Strip?
Gaza Strip? No, madam.
Okay. Do you know Washington, D.C.?
You mean Washington, D.C.? I've not been to Washington, D.C., madam.
You see, Michael, it's not that I don't like you, but the problem is that you don't fit in here. You see, I wouldn't want you to take this jump because you are going to, if you risk it, you're going to break your legs. Man, size. Abada will poison on a pussy. Oh, no, abada. So you better go home now and learn how to swagger your ginger, or you ginger your swagger. If my neighbor was a guy, you would have understood what I'm talking about now.
Madam, this is an insult.
Papa, it's okay. Leave her. I thought she's a responsible woman. Let's go, Papa. Let's go.
Take this away before I break them.
Let's go, Papa. Leave it. Leave the wine.
Take it away.
Let's go.
Cheap drinks. Rubbish.
Come, Madam JP. Now, listen to me. I am telling you all this because when a young girl is growing, people will start asking, who gave back to her? And as she's growing, people will be asking, who is her husband? And as time goes on, they will continue to ask, who are her children? I am warning you.
Leave us alone! Jealousy, oh, jealousy. You people are jealous. You are jealous because the only American doctor in this town is coming to marry my daughter. You are jealous. Leave us alone. Don't kill us the way you killed my husband.
What did I just hear you say?
Yes, leave us alone. Leave my daughter. Come. Leave us alone. Jealousy, oh, jealousy, jaloma. Oh, people, alanga so piakwa. Leave us alone, oh. Leave us.
That is it. I've been saying this before. Now the government is getting serious. Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Hello?
Sir, I'm looking for Major JT Uwoku.
Well, from all intents and purposes, you are privileged to be standing before Major Johnson Tigris Uwoku. Thank you, my boy.
That's the important name. Sir, I have a parcel for you.
Hey, come and stop that rubbish, my friend. I served military intelligence for more than 3 decades. Open the parcel by yourself from that distance.
Sir, is your parcel?
You want to argue with a war veteran? Please open that parcel from there. All right, my boy.
Sir, you just need to help me sign here.
Two hands, my friend.
Okay. Good day, sir.
By the way, what's your name?
My name is Promise, sir.
To do what?
Promise or Dikeh.
Oh, I thought you said promise to do something.
No,
okay,
no,
well, come on.
promises,
All right, man, you're dismissed.
Okay,
thank you. Grandpa, you... Wait a minute. Wait a minute. With what? With some... Where are these people? Akabago, Joseph the carpenter. Everybody come. Come on. Hey, sit down here. Before you measure me. Sit down. Sit down. You roll in here. Stay here. This is a letter from Donato Uso.
Hey.
From America.
It's a lie.
Drag him. It says, dear great papa. Yes. Grandpa. He's coming here next week. He's coming next week. And he sent some little money of dollars.
It's a lie.
He sent some dollars.
Papa, tell me what it is. How can you tell me that the lie is coming next week?
It's coming next week.
It's a lie.
I'll tell you.
Dona, my own Dona is coming next week.
Yes, sir.
But it's on my leg now. Papa, there's another thing to do.
Yes, sir.
If it is next week, there's no time. Let us go and start arrangement, preparations. No, we have to go to the Igwe. Tell Igwe to get the whole community. Those who have good to kill, those who have anything to kill, You know, when Donald comes out, steps out from the plane, he has to be stepping on goats.
No, wait a minute. You mean, so because Donald is coming home, you have to slaughter goats for him to step on?
He's not just ordinary Donald. This is the only doctor we have around this community. He's not just ordinary Donald.
It's okay. Let's not waste words. You know what you do? Go and arrange. When he comes, apart from goats, let them line up human beings. So let him be stepping on.
Ibian.
Get away!
Sean, sir.
Come and get
John, come fast. We're going to the Igwe. Tell me, where's my shoe? You give me my shoe. Papa.
Go!
Donald is coming.
Our village go good, our bikini don't return. Our American doctor, he go the doctor for America. Our bikini don't be doctor. Our American doctor, he go build a very big clinic, free treatment for everybody. Our American doctor, he no marry from America, he must go marry from our village. Our American doctor. No be dada, na Bob Marley. He gets dollar, he go dash dollar to everybody. But to see as he dey do him face, chai be like say na Creso. Our American doctor, hey, he get as he dey do body, chai he don't roll enter bush. Our American doctor, injection, na so drug doctor dey chop. Our American doctor. Don't spoil our name, oh. Shame they catch our village, oh. Our American doctor.
Today is a joyous and memorable day in this community.
Swan!
In the whole of Atani.
Swan!
It is the day that the only son of Atani that traveled overseas to go and read medicine has come back.
No.
This is why I am so happy that I had to send my vehicles to bring the doctor and his entourage to this party. I am so happy and overjoyed. Eat, drink, enjoy. Let music play. Play.
Well, we are wondering.
No, actually, we are all getting worried, you know. Now you suddenly, vamoose from the face of the planet. I mean, what happened?
Come on, guys. Let's leave that for now. It's a long story, you know what I mean? But is it to cut the long story short? My phone had problems. You know what's up with all these phones? Hey, the good thing is that I'm here now and I'm back for good, you know what I mean?
That's boy.
The major.
English delivered the English way.
Yeah.
That is it. You won't understand it, my boy. Yeah. Now, let's cross-fertilize ideas.
No, man, what have I done to you?
What?
Can't you leave me alone?
Enough is enough. Continue.
What was the experience like? I mean, school.
Yeah, it was quite fun. Yeah, we had a lot of time to relax and feel good after the uphill task of academic exercises,
That is my boy.
Oh God. Hang out with friends, do business and stuff like that. And you can as well fix the elections at their convenience, you know what I mean?
That is my boy.
You see, Donna?
Good.
I want to ask this question. Don't be offended, though. I didn't mean any harm. I don't mean any harm. Because since I saw you, this question has been eating my intestine. When I saw you, I did not like what I saw. Oh! That's why I've decided to ask. Don't hide anything from us. Were you sick at any moment, or do you have any problem that was taking the meat of your friend?
Dude, that's in the olden days, We are in a computer age now. The president of America, Barack Obama, looks the way I'm looking. In America, we don't eat much, We wash our weight. I'm also an international model, you know what I mean?
Model.
Dr. Don Corleone, international model.
Understand that? He say it looks.
Is that the same thing that is written? Then what is wrong with you, Because people can mistake you as a madman.
Dude, you see, I read a lot while abroad, I'm an eclectic reader,
Thank you.
Eclectic? No, eclectic reader. I read every time, You see, when you read the way I read, you're bound to, have this kind of hairstyle,
Honestly,
Yeah.
Even in the military, if you go through too much of warfare tactics and skirmishes, you begin to grow this type of. It's called several-pronged hair.
Oh!
Yeah.
What the fuck, Major? Major, the quintessential Major. You know what? If you were to be in America, you would have been a 3-star general by now, you know what I mean?
See what I mean? You wouldn't understand that.
Anyway, that reminds me. Who are these ladies?
Oh, these ladies?
Yeah.
They are my punishment.
These ladies, erotically,
yeah?
are your father's wives. But sacrosanctly, they're a combination of unabridged, sublime mysticism and nonsense.
Wow!
1.5 auntie.
This is double jeopardy.
Yes, my dear.
I hope you guys are not giving my father some kind of stress, you know what I mean?
No. As you can see, I'm taking good care of him. Can't you see how nourished he looks?
See, I'm the one taking care of him, I'm the one taking care of him.
I'm the only wife here.
Major.
I'll put it in
Thank you very, very, my dear.
How can you leave him? Oh, who's your husband? Come on, no. Go inside. Go inside. Hey, your cousin, if
you're really living in here.
That was how the Englishman created Igbo. Without recourse to prevarication. Let me quickly call on our son, Dr. Don, to speak for himself.
The manager. Igwe, it is customary for me to come pay homage to you after my sojourn abroad. You know what I mean? I'm happy to be home. It's a thing of joy to be home. And I'd like to use this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to you for your support and warm reception at my return. I appreciate it. Dr. Don thanks you immensely. Igwe, in here are some bottles of wine and some other stuff I bought for you. I brought them from America, the country home of Obama.
Thank you very much. You are a true son of your father.
It's my son.
In fact, a true son of father.
Ah, no, he will be like his father.
You see, one can only challenge hunger if he's holding a piece of yam in his hand. Market is said to be successful if the trader returns home safely. In other words, one is proclaimed a hero if he goes to the battlefield and returns home safely. Exactly. Let me now tell you that the whole of Atani, we are proud of you. Thank you very much, and you are welcome home.
Thank you. Thank you very, very much. Now that I'm back, I will find time to visit you regularly.
Come on, there. Come on, sit down. The family, no tea. Yeah. My God, come on.
Igwe, I don't seem to recognize her. This is a beautiful dancer. Is she?
She's my daughter, and yes. She was younger when you traveled abroad. She is an undergraduate.
Wow, that's wonderful. Adese, what course are you studying?
Military science.
No. I study law.
It's something you know.
It's a lie. Law. So you graduate at a lawyer. Kera. This girl is the most intelligent girl in the vicinity. The law. Please, Jidakiji.
That reminds me. You said you are studying
law.
Oh, law. Yeah. You did say that. I remember. Where would you like to do your masters? Would you like to do that in America?
Of course. Is that possible?
Why not? It's possible. I can do that. I'm Mr. Fix-It. I can do that. No. Obama is my home boy. You don't know my weight. Doctor don't call you and I'm a big boy. I'm a big sharp. I'm a big dude in America. I live in California, you know what I'm saying? Obama is my home boy. I did his campaign. I was his campaign manager. I personally saw to the emergence of Obama, the president of the United States of America.
Obama?
Yeah.
You?
Yeah. During his campaigns, there was a time he fell sick. He was admitted in my hospital. I treated him. I treated Obama.
Your hospital?
I treated him. I can do everything. I can do everything for you.
That's nice.
I do that for a lot of people. Why not you? Yeah. Which of the university would you like to study? I mean, University of New Orleans, California, Philadelphia, Los Angeles. I mean, Las Vegas. You know.
New Orleans.
Oh, New Orleans?
Yeah.
Oh, I got that in my palms. I'll give it to you on a platter of gold. You're my baby. I do everything for you. I do everything to make you happy.
Are you sure?
I do everything for you. This is the moment of truth. I want you to tell me from the hearts of your heart. Do you love Dr. Dawn, Dr. Leon?
Of course I do. Well, if I don't, what would I be doing here with you?
Hey, you know you're a princess. I'm a prince. Adesi, could you please give me a princely hug? It reminds me of Princess and Princess Diana. Oh, this is good. You're my queen. You know what? I'll take you to America. Take you to California.
Serious?
Where you will become the queen of California.
Thank you.
Let me treat you like a queen you are.
Our village go good. Our bikini don't return. Our American doctor. He got it doctor for America.
JP.
Shalom.
JP for justice of the peace. JP for junior partner. JP for judicial providence. JP for janitor promiscuity. JP for Jolly Pokoto. The only Jerusalem woman.
Strip office technicalities. Strip office technicalities. JP for juxtaposition.
Juxtaposition. You're welcome, you're welcome. You're welcome.
How are you people now?
No, I don't know about everybody. Me and my father are
okay.
Mama is inside, I don't know how it is.
I just came to see how you people are faring. And then to officially say, welcome to our American doctor.
Do you know, since I told my boy about Jenny, your daughter, he could not contain his manhood in his trance.
Shut up, idiot.
He's preparing for us to come and go. We were coming to your shed.
Shut up, idiot. Will you mind your
He's even preparing us to come.
Shut up, my friend. Come on, go and call him.
Yeah, he comes. Oh, I told you.
Hey, dude, what's up with you?
Yeah, dude.
I'm cool.
Dude.
He said good to go. Dude. Oh, God.
I'm not even Jude. If you got to talk of English name, I'm Joseph the Carpenter. You're not bomb dude.
That's how we address women in America. We address them like this in California.
You know,
do this cool, man.
Yeah, do they?
Uncle, which one is what?
Yeah, Mr. German, say Mr. one.
The major.
Yeah, moi.
Major.
I'm disappointed in you.
Okay.
You're even more prodigal than all of us put together.
What are you talking about?
Why are you hitting this boy?
Major,
man.
relax.
Forget
about me.
Yeah.
Who's this beautiful woman beside you?
This woman is a Dudes. You know, feminine gender, Dudes.
Yes.
She's the mother of Jenny.
Jenny?
Yeah.
Wow! This is a beautiful woman, you know what I'm saying?
Thank you.
I love everything about you.
The mother!
You know what I'm saying?
The mother!
Wait,
the mother!
Not Jenny.
It does not make any difference, man. I'm only trying to, play with my in-law, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know, it's not the Jenny.
Major,
yeah, man.
I bless this woman.
Yeah.
Let me give her some fucking dollars, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man.
It's not fucking.
Yeah.
Dollar.
Yes, so. For you. And this is for my baby Jenny.
Hey! Dollar.
Just say how I see her.
Thank
What about
you.
Grandpa?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
I got dollars.
Yeah.
I got enough dollars, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Abia.
Are you okay, boy?
I'm okay.
I won't be here.
Let me, take care of her.
Are you sure you're all right?
Yeah, very well, all right.
I told you couldn't contain his manhood in his trousers. Since I told him about, he now sees the mother. I said, now begin to do.
The boy is okay. It's okay. Oh. Sit down yourself. Sit down.
See my papa, my father is just like
it's fashion. When you do like that means you are an American.
Is it Qatar?
The Jerusalem Mama.
Shalom, shalom.
The Jerusalem Mama.
Shalom, shalom. Hey!
Mama.
Oh.
I know that anytime you ask like this, it's never in vain.
You're right.
There must be good news. So just me. What is the good news this time?
Good news.
Hey.
That is another statement. Watch and see. Oh, my little.
Hey!
Swagger your ginger.
Mama?
Ginger your swagger.
Dollar!
This is real cash.
Mama,
No. This is American dollar. Don't jump into it. Eh? Take it easy with it. This is for you. And this is for me, says Dr. Don, your American husband and my in-law. That is smart, you know. So you see why I said you should learn to ginger your swagger or swagger your ginger. And so you just have to forget about this local league. Now you are enjoying Champions League.
This is a very big money.
You can say it again.
When did he say that he's coming to see me?
Any moment from now. Hey. Better go in there. Get yourself prepared to meet your American husband. Hi! Oh, manager! Swagger your ginger! What?
Ginger, mama! Ginger your swagger.
Hey!
Swagger your ginger.
From the market. Hey, sorry, we didn't see you. My dear, you can't believe what I saw today. Sorry. Amaka, what did you say? I saw Jenny. You needed to see the way this babe was looking. Man, she was looking hot. She know the one that almost put me into my scarf. Is what she was buying things with in the market. What? American dollars now. Dollars? Yes, so. Igwe. It's simply called evidence of American connection. Simple. Oh, Washa. I envy her. So Jenny has finally dumped John, the English teacher, for that American doctor. My God, no, this is bad. Nkechi, are you blind? In fact, I'm sure if it were to be you, you would have done worse than that. Yes. My dear, had it been the doctor smiled on my way, I would have just jumped on him. Ah. Correct girl. Don't mind this Ngweke. She's just simply jealous.
Hey, Ngweke, I beg, shut up.
Nkechi, that's enough. I said that's enough.
Let's go. If I don't like this, let's go, Amaka. If you don't like it, let's go. I'll leave this.
Where are you going to come back? Stupid girl. If Nkechi, you're even walking away.
I'll go with you. This one is Ojibo.
Oh, wow.
One for you, one for Doc.
Oh, wow. The only Jerusalem woman that is around this vicinity and community.
Shalom, shalom.
JP for joint production and joint productivity. JP for Jolly Pokoto.
Shalom.
Oh, there you have seen it. Yes. Wherever this one comes from, we replenish our dead food.
Mama, you know what? I appreciate, from the depth of my heart, Dr. Don Corleone, thank you immensely.
You're welcome, my in-law. You're welcome.
You see?
Hey.
Well,
this one is called Love Wanting.
You know young men or young women of these days are so much on heat. When they are in love, it's like there's fire somewhere.
They don't even know that we're here.
Do we matter? Hey! They don't even recognize everybody apart from their presence. They're in an eggshell.
Omalisham, I'm sorry to interrupt. I don't mean to disturb people at all. Why don't you go and bring that special meat you prepared for your husband? Okay. So you can come back and complete what you've started.
Okay, ma.
Wow.
Don't be angry.
Jenny, no, I feel on top of the world.
I know.
Looks like a blessing from above,
See, when I was telling you that we on the ground clean our eyes and find you something.
I told you you're dude, you know what I'm saying, bro?
You do the paper.
I love that.
You do the paper. Abia.
I'm alright. Dude, you know what? I forgot my phone at home. I go get my phone. You wait for me behind. I make it snappy. I'll be back in the jiffy. You know what I'm saying? I'll be right back. Everything is perfect.
You know what happens is that if, like, he forgot his phone, too much book because of the way he read too much. Do you know what happened now? His brain has been so electrified that he forgot his phone at home. They didn't send signal.
Hi.
The thing registered in his head. He now remembered the thing. I don't like that kind of education. This boy read and I told him he should have come back. He read until his eyes began to coil.
Doctor for America. Our bikini don't be doctor.
Wait. Are you okay?
Yeah, very okay. Perfect.
But you know this guy, no? This is Dr. Tonna that just came back from America.
Okay,
don't
are you okay? Yeah, me okay. Just sit tight on the throne. First time I want to smoke up my brain. Give me one piece on lego ganja. Give me some seed of wisdom. First time I want to feel like it. Babylonians, you know what? In America we smoke Hindu, but here you smoke crap. Give that bama to your mama, you know what I'm saying?
You are playing with me as if you are playing with a little boy. Play. Nowhere, I've blocked. Blocked everywhere. So.
You know, since that day we haven't done anything.
Ask anybody.
We haven't done anything.
Are we mad? We can't try it.
What did they do this man? What did they talk?
Please.
Okay. I now remember. Don't worry, we are not here for that. Relax. We came to see Dr. Don Cognon.
No, we don't know him. He's not here.
Don Cognon.
He's
from China.
Don Cognon.
Jesus, my Nick. What the fuck is going on? What the fuck is going on here?
No fuck is going on. Nobody does.
I'm on the ground. Get up, man. Get up, man. What are you doing on the ground, man?
Is it the person you people are talking about?
Yes. You should have said so now. This is our son. We are very proud of him.
This is my son.
Yes, our son.
I said, this is my son.
This is my son. This is my son. You won't come out me?
You follow me, give the
At least for today.
What do you mean by our?
They are my friends. They are my friends. That's nothing to worry about now. This is Zuma, I think. Yeah. And your Jack? I'm Jack, yeah. We met yesterday. This is my father, my motherfucking father, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
You
Yes,
know?
I'm the fucking
You
father.
mean he's a dad? Yeah, it's my dad, you know what I'm saying? He's a today guy, he knows everything and he does everything, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, I'm
He
the
does
fucking
everything.
father.
Yeah. He's a great man.
This Don Cognon.
You guys are welcome. No, make yourself
Well, we've not seen you in the hood for a very long time now.
I'm happy to have you around, you know? Yeah.
It takes time to know the pivotal level of militarism. You understand me?
Just talk.
Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. I thank you for celebrating with me. You know what I'm saying? It's a thing of joy to have you around. I appreciate your presence. But right about now, we do it my own way. Dr. Don Corleone.
The American doctor.
You see, there's going to be a dancing competition for everybody here. And you know what?
Nah.
Every winner will smile home with my $200. $200.
Wait. You will dash people. Wait. Don't have to.
I got enough money to throw around. That's no problem. No, relax, man. I got some money.
See, you mean who we go collect dollars?
Yeah.
Idiot. Play that thing, let me dance.
Sit down. Is he your son?
Are you his grandfather?
Is he your in-law?
Take it easy. Take it easy.
Why they come out with me? I not be your friend.
And you want to dance first because of the dollar?
They don't say who dance first and they will give money.
Sit down.
Let's follow the procedure. Let's follow the procedure. You know what I'm saying?
Thank you.
Yeah. We follow the procedure.
Not by Bonnie.
You see, the first group to perform to our delight will be my grandpa.
My man.
Quintessential. Major. J.T. Yowakwe. Esquire. And the ebullient Mara JP.
Jerusalem. Shalom.
And the second group will be my father Kabob and his two wives. Toma and Quincy.
Oh my God.
Where is that motherfucking DJ?
Now support
Who is in the mix? Play me some Pink Floyd, you know what I'm saying, boy?
Hey.
Hit the music, let the music begin, you know what I'm saying? Let's go.
Hey,
Jerusalem woman. Jerusalem woman.
Board member, NUSA. That is us. And when I can, Mrs. Vero Modele, the ever vice president, this one, Mrs. Adibo, ex-board member, NUSA. Go number one. Adibo. Mrs. Teresa Ola. Ex-board member, NUSA. Mrs. Ebenabo. Ngozi Eze. Samantha Ugochukwu Nnamchi.
Come out. Come and dance. Get up. Oh, yeah. Dance. Dance for me. Let's see.
Mrs. Grace Ofo. Mrs. Benedict Keshona. Mrs. Nwa Ibemdeze.
Sit down. They never give me money. Take it now.
This is Ruby, and again,
when would you go? You came with money.
I'm so happy you visited, I'm so happy. I'm elated you're here.
I'm so glad.
Yeah. That reminds me.
Yeah.
You said you'll be going back to school tomorrow.
Yes, that's because our next semester examinations will be coming up next week.
I see. And you'll be needing some money to tie things up. Let me see if I have some currency in my wallet. Okay. Yeah. My princess, you have some money, you know, to keep body and soul together, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
You like them?
Of course, I do.
That's some freaking dollars, man.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much. Thanks.
One minute, please. I have a phone call.
Okay, no problem.
I'll be right back.
All right.
Hello? This is Dr. Don de Don Corleone. Who is this? Mark! So you guys are alive and you allow me to die in jail? Then what? Mark, I took that risk for all of us. And you guys had the mind to allow me to perish in jail. Don't tell me that bullshit. Don't give me that crap. You can tell that to the Marines. Mark, I spent 5 fucking years behind bars. I lost my education. I lost everything. Mark, I don't blame you. Anyway, you're gone. Now listen. I want you to do me a favor. My own share of the last trip to Jamaica was $50,000. I want you to go meet the boss and tell him to give you the money. What the hell is wrong with you? Oh, okay, man. Can I get 10,000 bucks from you? How about 5? What the fuck is wrong with you? Huh? Fuck you, fuck boss! My sweetheart, something just came up now, you know. I got to take off my investment. I'll see you later, huh? Yeah, just see you later, huh? I am already stranded. Very soon I'll be out of content and no hope for money from anywhere. Who will rescue me? Who will I run to? I am in trouble. Don Corleone. Yeah, it's good to be home. This a friendly environment, you know, not like the Middle East. Very hostile. I'm enjoying myself, having the fun of my life, you know what I'm saying? Oh my God! These girls are wonderful creatures. Huh? Why are you guys going on that discussion song? Come over. Don't have some fun with the dog.
Joy!
Yeah, beautiful ladies.
Amaka, where are people going
beautiful
to?
Ladies.
I don't like this. No, people should come. Let's go home. I'll tell your mom.
Beautiful ladies.
Amaka!
A young lady. Take a walk.
Leave me alone, Joy. Were we coming to meet you in the first place?
We'll see you some other time. Huh? Yeah. What's your name?
My name is Amaka.
Amaka, that's lovely. And you?
Joy.
Joy. I love that. I know what? I'll take you a snapshot. Let's see how it goes. Pose. Let's see. You pose. So nice. Nice, man. This is beautiful. Take a look. Take a look. You like it?
Yes.
Yeah, beautiful. Yes. I'm so happy to have you around. What would you like to drink?
Fanta.
Fanta. And you?
Good.
You know what? You are with Dr. Don Corleone. Dr. Don the Don Corleone. You see, I have a lot of money to throw around. Money is not the problem. When you are with the Don, you drink alcohol. You know what? Have the fun of your life with me. Bye, boy. Where you at? Some bottles of beer, man.
Oh, on your comfort. Oh, gonna.
Oh, go with you.
Hey. Hey. JP.
Oh, Shansa.
Hey, Skadayash. JP International. The only JP in Africa, in fact, north of the Sahara. Let me go back and offer you something to drink. Let's go.
No.
Okay, let's go. I have some food. Friend.
No, my
Why
in-law.
you're
My in-law. Right now, I'm in my in-law's house. If I'm hungry, I'll simply tell them that.
That's a fact. Free of any charge.
The only major.
Come on, Yash. That's right. Oh, God. Oh.
How about my in-law, Dr. Don?
Hey, Dr. Don, Ulaji,
Hey, whoa.
he's sleeping. Big man sleep. They call it technically siesta.
It's very important.
The body needs some rest.
Yes. Ogo, imana ndị ba anyị si na ụka akpara akpa.
You see?
Isi ka eji ekwe.
That was before my day. Antiquated notion. Modern science. Me isi o, me mono.
The only major. Ogo, I have come to know when you people will come to finalize things on my daughter's head.
JP, you are as expectant and as excited as myself. It was just a little time. When he wakes up now, we're going to a TRT. Then we come back for concretization.
Oh!
Start your yasho! Let me tell you something. Let's go. Let's go, my dear. You see, at times when I look at that, I don't plan. Children. Oh, God.
Alright. God damn it! My stuff is finished. God damn it! This is bullshit. My stuff. Hey! I am finished. What do I do? My stuff is finished. My stuff is finished. What do I do now? How do I go about it? Dr. Dog, you are in trouble. My stuff is finished. Your Highness, you're welcome.
Thank you.
How are you?
Doc, please, what's the outcome of the test you conducted on her?
I'm sorry, Your Highness. Your daughter is 8 weeks pregnant.
Hey! Are you sure? Hey! Adese, you have finished yourself. Adese, you have disgraced yourself. Hey! Adese, you have destroyed your present and your future. Child! My God, Adese, you have killed me. Ibugodum. Asa. Hey! Now listen, before I close this my eyes and open it, you have told me who is responsible for this mess. Talk now! Better talk. Talk what is that?
If it's okay, Your Highness, please. This is hospital, please.
Doc, okay, I'm sorry, please, but can you leave us, please? Sorry.
You want me to leave?
Yes, please. We can sort it out.
Okay.
Talk now. Talk, who is that person? Adese, now talk. Talk now before I kill you. I'll kill you now.
We talk.
Who made that talk?
Baba.
Who is it?
Tonto.
Hey! Aso. Hey! Adadima. Hey! Take this drink. Go and show us your husband. Eh? Music!
looking for Dr. Don.
Anything the matter?
Yes, the Igwenit is present at the palace now.
Please tell him there's it's Ross case at hand now. That's it. When he comes, I will bring him to the palace.
No, I'm sorry, he needs his presence now.
I say he's not here now.
It's important.
That's it. I don't know my own.
Bikono, Bendogo, please.
The Igwenit.
What happened is something we are trying to take care of. Bikono, let everybody cool down.
Are you the father of Mr. Dr. Don?
Are you a doctor?
No, sorry, please.
Please, I don't know what is happening.
The Igwenit is present in the palace, or you come with us now.
Where is that man? Where is Donatus? Where is he? He got married, got impregnated, and he's here making merriment.
What's that?
You must marry her.
My friend, we are still going through one turbulence. Please, go. Who are you?
I'm her father.
You stay in the zoo?
Igwenit is present.
Yes, he's present, or you come with us now.
If Igwenit is present, let him go bring cats. Let us go and pursue him.
Fine, okay, let's go.
Okay, what is this?
But where is he?
Let's get this. This is a joke. Can't you explain to me?
Wait! No, I will go with him to the palace. No, I will speak with Igwe later.
No. He just has to come with us. Wait, he has to come with us.
Our village go good, our bikini don't return. Our American doctor, he go the doctor for America. Our bikini don't be doctor. Our American doctor, he go build a very big clinic, free treatment for everybody. Our American doctor, he no marry from America, he must go marry from our village. Our American doctor. No be dada, na Bob Marley. He gets dollar, he go dash dollar to everybody. But to see as he dey do him face, chai be like say na Creso. Our American doctor, hey, he get as he dey do body, chai he don't roll enter bush. Our American doctor, injection, na so drug doctor dey chop. Our American doctor. Don't spoil our name, shame they catch our village. Our American doctor.